Hello everyone, take a square shaped fabric and fold it diagonally 2 times, and on the right side middle part have a little curvy cut, and the bottom make another curved cut, and the middle part of it cut it and have embroidery, and you have a lovely skirt. Fold the rectangular fabric twice along the sides and fold it on the top and have a little cut on the top left and remove it. And also in the bottom left, unfold it twice and fold the innerwards once and bring the top part and attach it to either side of it by using the embroidery. Now you have a beautiful t-shirt. Fold the fabric into half with a given dimension and have a glove print using your hand, and have a wool fabric and fold it to half and have the glove print on top of it and cut along with that, leaving excess at the bottom. Then wear the glove print onto your hand and insert it in the fabric and fold the excess part to the top and stitch it there. Fold the square fabric into half diagonally 2 times and cut on the top part of the triangle, and on either side of the bottom triangle have another cut. Then unfold it, you have a lovely little skirt. It's very simple, right? Fold the square shaped fabric twice along the diagonal 2 times and have a curvy cut at the bottom and a little curvy cut at the top, and when you release it you have a loop. Then after that drop it onto a similar colored fabric and cut out the excess part on the other side of the circle. Then for the inside make a strip of fabric in the same color and have it attached at the center. Then you have a lovely hat. Fold the fabric twice and have a top part cut in the wavy manner, and on the top right have a semicircle cut, and unfold it once and adjust the shape by cutting off the excess part. Then unfold it completely, then fold the left side into the center and have the tip of it folded outwards. Do the same for the right side and attach some beautiful embroidery, decorate it even more further. Now you have a lovely shirt. Fold the fabric to half and fold it away but in a tilted manner, then cut out the excess part top and bottom and unfold it completely and fold it inwards and have an elastic band on top of it. You have beautiful pants. Fold the square shaped fabric into half twice and have a cut on the top right and the bottom left in a curvy manner, and remove the excess part from it. You have a disc shape. And after that fold the disc shape into half twice, then make a cut on the right side and release it. You have a top and bottom part of a skirt. Fold the square shaped fabric half along the diagonal and hold the bottom right and fold it twice. Then have a curvy cut at the bottom and a straight cut on the top and release it, and have a cut on the top left and release it totally. Then have a beautiful elastic band attached to it, making a lovely skirt. And on the top left have a big curvy cut and extend the cut, then unrelease it and have it combined together with a pretty tip at the outside, then have a lovely embroidery in the middle part, making a cute frock. Once again fold the fabric towards the left and one towards the bottom and have a little curvy cut on the top right, and on the left side make a number 7 cut and unfold it and fold it completely down. You have a lovely top part of the skirt. Fold the fabric 1 time towards the left and 1 at the bottom and have a pair of curvy cut and a straight line cut and release it. Then fold another piece of fabric and fold it towards the half and attach the pant, making a lovely frock. Fold a piece of fabric in a square shaped manner along the diagonal 3 times and have a curvy cut on the bottom and a straight cut on the top and release it. You have a flowery petal like loop. Fold the fabric towards the half and 1 towards the center and have a curvy cut on the top right and have another cut on the top left on the folded part, and make a large cut by unfolding it on the bottom right to the top left, and also unfold it and fold it inwards and have the tips folded outwards, making a collar, and you made a lovely shirt. Fold the fabric towards the half and make a V cut on the left side, and the bottom side have a semicircle cut and fold it towards the left and have a V-shaped cut on the top and have a curvy cut on the top right, and unfold it and fold it towards the center and attach some buttons. Fold the fabric into half and make a wavy cut on the left side like this and have it release and fold it inwards, made a pants. Thank you everyone for watching this video.